Okay, this is my room on the third floor of the Hotel Apache in Binion. I'm on the penthouse floor. Unfortunately, I'm on the Fremont Street Experience side, so it's going to be very noisy, unfortunately, but I'll have to deal with it. The bathroom is to the right as you walk in. Got a shower, bathtub, got the sink, the lights, subscribe. Or not. Got towels, toiletries, your toilet. It's a small bathroom, but it's perfectly functional. Let's see what the water pressure is like. Come on. I don't know if you can see it. It's not coming out. Ooh, it's still not coming out. Come on. Oh, it's not very strong, but it'll have to do. Okay. So, the rest of the room, I like the yellow paint. Got a table and 2 chairs, the air conditioner, the window, got a lamp, an old-fashioned looking radio, the bedside table. Anything in here? Oh, a Bible. Okay, you've got the bed. Some artsy-fartsy on the wall. Got a safe. What's in this table? Nothing. Got an old-fashioned telephone, another lamp, ironing board, luggage rack, some hangers that you could steal if you wanted to. And the iron. So that's pretty much it. I do like the room. It's quaint, and I'm going to enjoy staying here for the next 4 days, despite the loud noise that's going to be emanating from the Fremont Street Experience until like 2 a.m., but I'll deal with it. Okay, so this is my room at the Hotel Apache at Binion's.